Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mid-fidelity wireframes in Figma. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Begin by sketching out your basic screen layouts using simple shapes like rectangles and lines. Focus on the overall structure and placement of key elements, such as headers, footers, and content blocks. This initial step establishes the foundational framework for your design. Now let's add more detail. Use different shades of gray to distinguish between various content areas, like navigation versus main content. For text, employ placeholder lines or a simple, consistent font style and size to suggest hierarchy without committing to specific copy. Incorporate basic icons from Figma's resources or a plugin to represent common actions or elements, enhancing clarity without full visual design. Next, focus on interactive elements. Create reusable components for common UI elements like buttons, input fields, and navigation bars. This saves time and ensures consistency across your wireframes. Use simple button shapes and placeholder text for input fields to indicate user interaction points. Organize your layers and frames logically within Figma, using clear naming conventions to maintain an efficient and understandable file structure. Finally, refine and share your mid-fidelity wireframes. Review each screen to ensure the user flow is logical and easy to understand. Share your Figma prototype with stakeholders or potential users to gather early feedback on the layout and functionality. This iterative process helps identify areas for improvement before moving to high-fidelity design. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.